making muffins!
Muffin!
Okay, it's 2 AM right now, and we're pretty bored, and I guess we decided to make muffins with 3 separate ingredients. Because we're ghetto.
And this is an ingredient.
So, this is fun. This is really fun. And we're gonna add 1 egg.
Wow.
Crack that.
Crack that egg. Oh, oh, oh. Crack. Use it ambush.
100 milliliters. That's a lot of liquid. And now we're gonna mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. Okay, so
The batter is done.
we made the batter, and now I guess we're basically done. We just have to put it in the cups.
So, there's 3 more addicts.
There's actually a lot more. The great box says 12 muffins, but there's 24 cups. Yes, I can save those for later. And I think we're just supposed to spoon feed into the...
No, you're supposed to pour it in.
Yeah, but the batter...
Just pour it in.
We're gonna leave it uneven in each separate container.
Because we're fat.
Actually, we're supposed to sprinkle some of these
Sprinkle glitter.
chocolate chunks on top that came with
That's
the
so
box.
beautiful.
And just make it amazing, and then bake it in the oven and just eat it, I guess.
Taste it.
I guess I can do mine because it's smaller while his cools down. It's really hard doing that with one hand.
Eat it. Eat it.
This is not good. It's not good.
It's fucking steaming. Ow. Very good.
Very.
Can also share with you again.
Thanks for watching.